Are you looking for the best mop to tackle tough messes in 2025? We've rounded up the top contenders to help you choose the perfect one for your home. Stay tuned to find out which mop truly reigns supreme. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop and Bucket System. This is a classic choice for those who prefer a traditional cotton fiber mop with a long handle. It stands out with a removable, machine-washable mop head, a bucket for easy wetting and rinsing, and a highly effective spinning mechanism that quickly wrings out excess water with just one spin. Unlike other models that require multiple spins or leave the mop too wet, assembly is simple, and its cleaning performance is solid, handling everyday dirt and spills on hardwood, tile, or linoleum. However, storage can be tricky due to the bucket's size, making it less ideal for small apartments. While it requires manual effort, the O-Cedar Twist Mop is a reliable and effective option for those who don't mind putting in a little extra work to get their floors spotless. Number 2. Norwex Superior Mop Starter System. This is a chemical-free, eco-friendly cleaning solution that relies solely on water to pick up dirt and germs. It includes a microfiber pad for dry dusting and another for wet mopping, eliminating the need for toxic cleaners. The patented microfiber technology ensures effective cleaning without antibacterial chemicals. Assembly is simple, and swapping mop heads is effortless. Just wet the pad with hot water, wring it out by hand, and attach it. The best cleaning method is a figure-8 motion, and when the pad gets dirty, just rinse it or toss it in the washing machine, avoiding fabric softener. Though pricey and lacking a built-in wringer, the Norwex mop delivers exceptional results, even outperforming traditional mops with cleansers, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious families. Number 3. Swiffer PowerMop Multi-Surface Kit. It builds on the Swiffer WetJet, featuring a larger 16-inch mop head, thicker tufted pads, and an improved cleaning solution attachment system. It retains the spray-activated cleaning jets, disposable pads, and lightweight design, making it a convenient choice for quick and easy cleaning. In tests, the enhanced mop head absorbed an entire glass of milk, covering more ground than its predecessor. The redesigned solution bottle system also impressed testers, offering a secure, leak-resistant fit. However, ongoing costs are a consideration. The smaller cleaning solution bottles cost about the same as the WetJet's larger ones, and the mop still requires Swiffer-branded refills. Overall, the PowerMop is a solid upgrade for Swiffer fans, delivering better cleaning coverage and ease of use, despite the added expense of consumables. Number 4. Swiffer WetJet Mop Starter Kit. This is designed for convenience rather than traditional mopping. It eliminates the need for a bucket and cleanser, allowing you to quickly clean your floors by attaching a disposable cleaning head and pressing a trigger to spray cleaning solution. It's ideal for quick touch-ups, especially when guests are coming over and you need a fast solution. The easy-to-use design is its biggest advantage. The starter kit includes 8 AA batteries, which power the solution sprayer, making setup effortless. Once the mop head is saturated, simply glide it over your floors and dispose of the pad afterward. However, it does have its limitations. For larger spills, the mop head can only absorb so much, meaning you'll likely go through multiple pads. Additionally, the cost of refills adds up over time. Despite these drawbacks, the Swiffer WetJet remains a quick and effective solution for everyday cleaning, and it's safe for pets, as confirmed by the ASPCA. Number 5. Microfiber Wholesale 18-inch Microfiber Mop System. It stands out due to its larger size, allowing you to cover more surface area in less time. This makes it ideal for larger spaces or when you're looking to speed up your cleaning process. However, similar to the Norwex microfiber mop, the mop pad must be removed and wrung out by hand once it becomes soaked, which can be a bit inconvenient. In our tests, the mop performed well on everyday dirt and was able to absorb a cup of spilled liquid. However, it required a few passes over the spill, as we had to give it time to soak up the liquid effectively. While it's efficient for regular cleaning tasks, it might not be as fast for larger spills compared to mops with built-in wringing mechanisms. So, which one's the best? After testing, the O-Cedar EasyWring spin, mop, and bucket system comes out on top for its ease of use, deep clean, and convenience. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!